Thanks for tuning in to this video, Brown family. I'm just going to show you how I got this easy look with no glue, just spritz and bed hairspray. So just stay tuned and watch. I just finished washing my hair. I blow dried it. I cleaned the side of my edges with alcohol, and I sprayed spritz just to lay my hair down. Y'all, I was singing to myself, so don't even mind me on that part. At this point, I'm just gonna do the usual, put the cap in, cut the little ear parts out. As y'all can see, I'm gonna spray more spritz. This is how I'm gonna get my ball cap method. I decided to try something new because usually I use Got to Be glue, and then I use the lace frontal glue. So I wasn't feeling it today. I was like, let me just try something new, something without glue, just the old-fashioned spritz and the holding spray, and see what I can get. And honestly, I had this lace wig on for a week now, and it's holding up pretty good. And I like that because I don't have glue on my edges. So for people who are new with putting on wigs, or just honestly don't like the whole glue thing, I say just lay your stuff down with some spritz or some bed hairspray. They sell it at Sally's, Walmart, Target. Yeah, it did the trick for me, guys. So this is a new something for anyone who don't want to. Y'all, like I said, this thing lay down nice. Like, I didn't even have to go down with all them edges. I didn't. Even me doing them little edges in the front, I was looking back at it. I was like, did I really have to put them edges? It was not needed, because that ball cap method and this lace front itself was just fine. But y'all see, I put the little foam on my hair. I don't know if it's gonna show in the video, but the reason why I put the foam was to lay my hair flatter, and I also blow dried it. Y'all don't mind the back of the part, because honestly it's not being seen, but at the end of the video I had just filled it in with my mascara at the end of the video. Now I'm gonna attempt to curl this hair with a flat iron. I don't like curling with flat irons. I end up changing it up later on. You're gonna see me using a wall curler, and I'm gonna pin them all up, and I'm gonna let this video roll and you see the rest for yourself. But y'all, thanks for watching, thanks for staying true to your girl, and I'm gonna have more videos coming up because I'm all about the hair, affordable styles. Girl, I am my own stylist, and I want y'all to be your own stylist at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you soon with more videos. Love you guys. Bye.